Not all appliances are built the same. Miele is known for designing appliances to last up to 20 years of use, with testing standards that go well beyond industry norms. From precision cooking and advanced refrigeration to whisper-quiet dishwashers and efficient laundry care, every Miele appliance is engineered for consistent performance and long-term reliability. It's not just about how an appliance looks on day one, but how it performs year after year. Miele's clean design, intuitive controls, and attention to detail make it a strong choice for kitchens where function and aesthetics are equally important. These are appliances built for people who value quality, precision, and thoughtful engineering. At Town Appliance, we help homeowners, designers, and builders choose the right Miele solutions for their space, with expert guidance from start to finish. Shop Miele at townappliance.com and enjoy nationwide delivery, flexible financing, and expert advice from a team that understands premium appliances. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more appliance insights, and let us know what you'd like us to cover next.